With the LG F0L9DGP2S washing machine, a front-load, fully automatic washing machine that is here to revolutionize the way you do laundry. It is not just here to clean, but it's a game changer in the way you do your chores. I'm Ernest from Indus, Ghana.
Let's start with the aesthetics. The LG F0L9DGP2S is not just a washing machine, it's a modern marvel. It comes with a sleek design and intuitive features. It effortlessly integrates into your home, making a statement in both form and function. Say goodbye to laundry marathons. With a whopping 15 kg capacity, this washing machine can handle large loads, making it perfect for families or anyone who wants to spend less time doing laundry and more time doing things they love. It's not just a washing machine, it's a dynamic duo. The LG F0L9DGP2S comes equipped with an 8 kg built-in dryer, offering you the convenience of washing and drying in one go. It's a time-saving masterpiece. Now let's talk about intelligence. With smart and intuitive technology, this washing machine takes the guesswork out of the laundry. From customizable washing programs to smartphone connectivity, it's a laundry experience tailored to your needs. It's not just about power, it's about care. The LG F0L9DGP2S ensures your clothes are treated with the utmost gentleness. From delicate fabrics to everyday wear, your garments are in good hands. And let's not forget about our planet. This washing machine is not just efficient in its cleaning capabilities, but it's also designed with energy efficiency in mind, so you can do your laundry with a clean conscience. There you have it, folks. The LG F0L9DGP2S, redefining laundry with its capacity, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. If you are ready to elevate your laundry game, click the link below to make this modern marvel a part of your home. Don't forget to subscribe for more home innovation updates. And until next time, happy laundering.
We are Indus, Ghana, your home of top-of-the-world LG electronic appliances. You can locate our showrooms at Techiman, Kumasi, Tamale, and Sunyani. You can call us on 0322 498858 or visit our website indusghana.com.